You can also do all of your webinars, courses, and memberships from Tekmatix too. Tekmatix is a full course platform. You have communities, you have courses, you can sell coaching programs, you can sell one-off courses, you can sell webinars, you can sell summits, and everything that is educational, digital, or live from this platform. This is no need for you to have any other software or be paying hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars for a learning management system. This is all done inside the Tekmatix platform as well. You can create unlimited courses, memberships, coaching programs, video lessons, workshops, webinars, products, anything you like in here. Unlike other platforms that will charge you more and more the more courses or products that you add, not here at Tekmatix. Your monthly fee stays the same no matter how many products you've added to your platform. Now, these could be courses, digital offerings, whatever that you're selling to the public. This could also be internal staff training as well. We have everything from SMEs all the way through to corporates and government organizations using Tekmatix. And a lot of those bigger corporate organizations are using the platform to segment all of their staff training and their career progression pathways for their staff as well. All of those things can be done inside the Tekmatix platform. Super simple for you to simply add a product, create modules and lessons with unlimited content in those. And get this, Tekmatix also hosts all of your videos as well. So there is no need for you to also be paying for video hosting services outside of the platform.